how to turn on or turn off use volume button to trigger record on Blackmagic. So if you're using the Blackmagic camera on your phone and you want to use the volume button to trigger the record, once you click on it and then to start recording, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily do this step by step. So whether you're using the Blackmagic camera in landscape or in vertical mode, you can use your volume button to trigger record on the camera. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or off, use volume button to trigger record on Blackmagic camera. All you just need to do is go ahead and open the Blackmagic camera on your phone. Once you open the Blackmagic camera, come here, click on settings. Then on the settings page, scroll down to camera. Then scroll down, locate use volume button to trigger record. So if this is disabled like this, and then you come back to the Blackmagic camera page, if you press the volume up button or the volume down button, this is not going to trigger the record on your Blackmagic camera. So to trigger this information to record using the volume up button or volume down button on your phone, just go ahead and click on settings, and then make sure you turn on use volume button to trigger record. Then if you want to record on your Blackmagic, all you just need to do is use your volume button to trigger it, and then you should see the Blackmagic camera start recording. Then you can also use it to stop the recording on your phone. So that is basically how to enable or how to turn on use volume button to trigger record on Blackmagic. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.